Hi everyone, so I'm here today to be showing you our new Great Lengths maintenance packs. So they come in 4 different variants. So firstly we have your structure repair, which is for anybody who's suffering with breakage, damaged hair, or anybody who needs that extra little bit of strength. We have our silver shine, which is designed for blonde hair to eliminate any unwanted yellow tones. So this is perfect for all you bright blondes. We have your ultimate colour, which is designed to stop colour fade. So anybody who wants to keep the vibrancy in their colour and stop the tone from fading, this is ideal for yourself. And last but not least, we have our daily moisture. So this is designed to give a soft moisture and hydration to dry or thirsty hair. So inside all of the packs you get your shampoo, conditioner and your mask. So when shampooing your hair, we recommend make sure your hair is soaking wet right through. We want you to get the size of a 50p piece into your hand, rub it round your hands till you really break that seal and you'll see the shampoo sort of expand in size. I want you to dot it across your head like this and then gently massage the root area. We never want to see you scrubbing your hair like this because you'll just cause breakage if you're wearing hair extensions. Gentle massage motion, give your hair a good rinse and always give 2 shampoos. After your second shampoo and you've given it a rinse, I want you to squeeze all the excess water from your hair. Apply the size of a 50p piece of your conditioner, spread it around your hands and all on the mid-lengths and ends of your hair. I don't want you to put it directly onto the root, especially if you're wearing great length hair extensions, bonded hair extensions, tape hair extensions, anything like that, as it's going to cause the extension to slip from your hair. So that's your shampoo and conditioner, and then we have our mask. So this is more of a deep hydration. So this can be used, I'd say, at least once a week. If you want to use it more, you can. Or if you've got really oily hair or you feel like your hair's really soft, you can use it less. But definitely once a week is an average. And this is going to be used in between your shampoo and conditioner. So you'll shampoo your hair twice, squeeze all the excess water out, apply the size of a 50p piece into your hands of your moisture mask, starting on your mid-lengths and ends, brush it through and just twist it back and leave it in for half an hour. After half an hour, just give your hair a nice rinse and then a little bit of your conditioner to seal and rinse again. Hope you enjoy our packs.